welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today we're going to be learning how to play Listen for Bells. This song originates back in the day when most people didn't have wristwatches or clocks to tell time. The people in each town would know the time because there would be a church in the center of town with a tower called a steeple. There would be bells in the steeple that would ring. At 3 o'clock, the bells might ring 3 bongs to let everyone know that it was 3. Or at 6 o'clock, they'd ring 6 times. Well, this song is about those bells in the steeple. The song goes like this. If you'll touch the beat with me on your knees while I sing, I would appreciate it. Listen for bells in the steeple to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Now, if you listen to the song carefully, you might be able to tell what time it is in this village. Listen one more time and see if you can figure out how many dings there are. Listen for bells in the steeple to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Could you count all those dings? If you said 10 o'clock, then you're right. Now we're going to figure out how the notes of Listen for Bells are moving, whether they're high or low. To do this, let's pretend that we're holding 2 bells, one of those big bells with a handle, one in each hand. If you hear a low note, let's shake the bell down low, and if you hear a high note, shake it up high. If there's a middle note, shake it in the middle. This song only has 3 notes. So, mi, and do. Now I'll sing the first 6 notes of Listen for Bells, and I'd like you to try to figure out for yourself, without me showing you, if you're hearing low notes, middle notes, or high notes. Here's the first 6 notes without any words. Ba, 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 ba. Could you tell what those notes were? Show me by ringing the bells in the right place. Low for this note or high for this note. Here it comes one more time. Ba, 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 ba. If you did this, listen for bells in the, then you're correct. It had 3 low notes, which we call do, and then 3 high notes, which in this song is so. Let's sing the whole song now, moving our hands up or down according to the notes. Listen for bells in the steeple to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Let's practice those dings one more time. Did you notice that there was a pattern where it went high, middle, low? We call that so, mi, do. Let's try it together. All of the dings now. Ding, 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 ding. Great, let's do the whole song one more time, and this time use the so, mi, do words. Oh, and do you remember the hand signs for so, mi, do? Let's review for a second. This is do. This is so. And this is mi. Got it? Here we go. Do, 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 so, so, so. Do, 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 so. So, mi, do, so, mi, do, so, 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 do. Now you know all the patterns for Listen for Bells. Let's practice moving our hands in the air and moving the right fingers so you'll be ready to play it on the piano. So hold up your right hand so you can see the back side of your hand, just like I'm looking at the back part of my hand. Now, remember, your finger 1 will play do, and your finger 5 will play so. You'll use your finger 3 for mi. So we have do, me, and so. I'll do a pattern first, then you try to echo it. Here it's my turn first. Do, do, do. Your turn. Now it's my turn again. So, so, so. Your turn. Now let's put those two together. Do, 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 so, so, so. Your turn. My turn again. Here's the next pattern. Do, 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 so. Your turn. Sing and move your fingers. Now my turn. So, mi, do. Your turn. Sing and move your fingers. My turn. So, mi, do. Your turn. My turn again. So, 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 do. Your turn. Good. Now let's do the whole song together from start to finish, this time singing the words. Listen for bells in the steeple to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Good job. Now we're ready to try it on the piano. Since recently we've learned how to do a D pentascale, we're going to play Listen for Bells in the key of D. When we play Listen for Bells using the D pentascale, we're going to need to know how to find do, mi, and so now in the D pentascale. Come to the piano and let's find that. Remember that do can move, and when we're playing in the D pentascale, D will now be do. Now this would usually be re, but we're not going to need re, and mi will be on an F sharp, and then so will be on A. So these are the three notes we'll use for Listen for Bells, using finger 1 on do, finger 3 on mi, and finger 5 on so. So when you go to the piano, your fingers should be positioned like this. Let's try playing Listen for Bells now. Listen for bells in the steeple to ring. Ding, 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 ding. Now it's your turn. I'd like you to keep practicing that until you can sing it and play it with confidence. Here's some other things you can try for extra challenge. Play it while singing the solfa, do, 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 etc. while you play. Also try it in your left hand. Remember, you can also download activity sheets and a song sheet with the patterns that you'll need for this song from our website. Thanks for coming, and hope to see you again soon.